Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to activate your Virtual Reward Center card. Whether you're new to the card or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the activation process, ensure you have all necessary information on hand. This typically includes your card number, personal identification details, and any promotional codes associated with your card. Step 2. Visit the activation website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Virtual Reward Center activation page. This is usually found on the back of your card or in the paperwork that came with it. Make sure you're on the correct website to ensure your information remains secure. Step 3. Enter your card information. Once you're on the activation page, you will see a prompt to enter your card number. Carefully input the number exactly as it appears on your card. Double-check for any typos to avoid delays in the activation process. Step 4. Provide personal information. After entering your card number, you may be required to fill in some personal information. This could include your name, email address, and possibly your phone number. Ensure that all the information is accurate to facilitate the process. Step 5. Review the terms and conditions. Before you finalize the activation, take a moment to read through the terms and conditions. It's important to understand how your card works and any applicable fees or guidelines. Step 6. Submit your information. Once you've confirmed that all your details are correct and you understand the terms, click on the Activate button. This will send your information to the Virtual Reward Center for processing. Step 7. Confirmation. After submission, you should receive a confirmation message on the website. You may also receive an email confirming the activation of your card. If you do not receive any confirmation within a few minutes, double-check the information you submitted, or try again. Step 8. Start using your card. Congratulations! Your Virtual Reward Center card is now activated. You can begin using it for purchases, rewards, and discounts wherever applicable. Be sure to keep track of your balance and any rewards you accumulate. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on activating your Virtual Reward Center card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.